Mr. President, dismantling Unrwa will have lasting repercussions. In the short term, it will deepen the humanitarian crisis in Gaza and accelerate the onset of famine. In the longer term, it will jeopardize the transition from ceasefire to day after by depriving a traumatized population of essential services. It will make nearly impossible the formidable task of bringing 500,000 deeply distressed girls and boys back to learning. Failing to deliver on education will condemn an entire generation to despair, fueling anger, resentment, and endless cycles of violence. A political solution cannot succeed in such a scenario. At the heart of this region, the United Nations Agency for Palestine Refugees, Unrwa, is a stabilizing force. In Gaza, the agency is the backbone of the humanitarian operation, coordinating and providing life-saving assistance. Beyond Gaza, it has championed human development for Palestinian refugees for decades across the region. Today, an insidious campaign to end UNRWA's operation is on the way, with serious implications for international peace and security. In Gaza, the government of Israel seeks to end UNRWA's activities. The agency's requests to deliver aid to the north are repeatedly denied. Our staff are barred from coordination meetings between Israel and humanitarian actors. Worse, UNRWA premises and staff have been targeted since the beginning of the war. 178 UNRWA personnel have been killed. Mr. President, we demand an independent investigation and accountability for the blatant disregard for the protected status of humanitarian workers, operations and facilities under international law. To do otherwise would set a dangerous precedent and compromise humanitarian work around the world.